Hello everybody. Maybe you wonder why I have all these objects in front of me. I'm going to do some fun activity with you, sink or float. Okay, every object around us made of small molecules. And before we do that, we are going to learn about the vocabulary that we are going to learn. Sink or float, and density and molecules. Okay, density means this little molecule, and for example that I have it here, this is one little molecule, and you cannot make any object with only one, but you need more and more and more so that you can make an object like this one. But I don't know how they are going to pack each other with the little molecules, like a pack together, that it makes the density. Okay, so if it's a pack all together, then we call that high density, high dense. And then if it is one of each, the molecule is separated, and we call that loose molecule. Okay, which one has a high density or the low density? We're gonna find out how we can put the objects in the water. I don't have the big tank, so I use the kimchi jar. The Korean people are eating the kimchi, and then everyone has the kimchi jar at home. Or maybe you can use anything that you have it at home. You can do this experiment. Before you do that, you can find out which one is a float or sink. So I make the chart like this one: object, sink, and float. You can mark it every time you put it in. Okay, so let's find out. And here's a two spoon made out of metal and plastic. I don't know which one has the high density. Okay, so let me put it in high density sink, and loose density is float. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in there. Oh, it's sink. How about this one? It's the same shape of object, but it's different dense that they have it. See, plastic one is float, and the metal spoon is sink. Okay, let's find out then, and let's find out with a bowl. Then maybe you have it at home. This is air is inside, and I don't know what kind of density this one has, but let's find out. If it has the higher density, then it's going to sink. If it is a loose density, then it's going to go up on the float. Oh, this is a float. Okay. How about I have two duckling. Okay, this one made out of plastic. This one is a clay. You can modeling clay that you can use it. You can put it in there. Let me use the modeling clay. I wanted to put it in. Uh-oh, it goes in as sink. Let me put the plastic one in here. It floats. Yay! This one has a loose dance, and modeling clay has a higher dance. Then how about the rocks? I have the rock at home. So I'm going to put it in there one by one. I'm going to put few rocks in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, every rock sink. How about then empty jar? I mean empty plastic water bottle. I can put it in there. I don't know if it's going to sink or it's going to float. Can you guess it? Oh, it doesn't go in. I'll push it in. It comes right back up. So this one. And how about this pencil and screwdriver? This one made out of metal and plastic. This one made out of wood. Okay, so let me put it in. Screwdriver first. Oh, it sink. How about this pencils? Oh, it comes right back up. Look at that. It floats. Can you see that? So children, you can have fun with this experiment at home. You can use any container and you can put some water in there and then you can bring your toys or some objects around you. You can go outside and then you can do that. Or inside of home, you can play with this one and then have fun with your parents. Have fun. Thank you.